Welcome to the video where we unmask the champions of the maintenance and reliability sector, whose innovative approaches are revolutionizing industries. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we'll be taking a closer look at some industry professionals who are not just doing their jobs, but setting new standards in the field. Get ready to be inspired by their stories and learn about their exceptional contributions. Ensuring society runs smoothly is a monumental task, and today, we're shining the spotlight on the unsung heroes of the maintenance and reliability sector. These professionals are not just doing their jobs. They're revolutionizing how we handle maintenance and reliability across various industries. Starting with Joe Adam, who is currently steering the ship at Roche as the manager of engineering and maintenance. Joe's journey in the maintenance and reliability sector is notable, especially with his involvement in the creation of the world's first 9-speed transmission without defects. His active participation in the Society of Maintenance and Reliability Professionals since 2010 highlights his dedication and commitment to the field. Next up, meet Tim Allen, a veteran who spent 20 years as a reliability-centered maintenance program manager with the U.S. Navy. Tim's work, particularly his study on submarine components, has significantly contributed to naval reliability. Now he's taking his expertise to new heights in the civilian sector, helping organizations secure uptime awards for enhanced reliability. Rajiv Anand, the founder and CEO of Quartic.ai, is a pioneer in the process automation industry. With over 3 decades of experience, Rajiv has witnessed firsthand the evolution from basic relay logic controllers to sophisticated AI. His company, Quartic.ai, is at the forefront of providing digital solutions that leverage advanced machine learning and IoT technology, helping manufacturing companies optimize their industrial assets. Moving on to Joe Anderson, the COO of Reliability X. Joe's extensive experience in maintenance and reliability management has made him a go-to industry expert. He's committed to teaching organizations how to enhance their operations across people, processes, and profitability. Jason Apps, the CEO of ARMS Reliability, has dedicated a significant part of his career to the company, helping businesses across various industries enhance their reliability. His contributions to the company's blog and his book, Asset Strategy Management ASMX, provide invaluable insights into focusing on reliability in the digital age. Jason Ballantyne, the general manager at ARMS Reliability, has been instrumental in helping companies realize savings of $100 million. His insights into asset management and reliability practices are helping reshape how businesses approach maintenance and reliability. Mark Barnes, with over 20 years in oil analysis, contamination control, and lubrication management, is leading his team at Decades Corporation towards innovative lubrication programs. His global influence is backed by numerous speaking engagements and over 150 white papers and articles. Marius Bassin, the president of the Aladon Network, is another key figure. His work in developing RCM2 and RCM3 has helped countless organizations adopt proactive asset and risk management strategies that align with ISO standards. Lawrence Bazile, a reliability leader at Dow and an MBA candidate at Rice University, brings a rich background from various industries, including his time at Norfolk Naval Shipyard and Monsanto. His research has been recognized in prestigious publications, showcasing his deep understanding of reliability. Aaron Beasley, currently shaping the future of asset performance at Bentley Systems as a senior product manager, has a rich history of enhancing reliability and maintenance processes across several major companies. These are just a few of the remarkable individuals making significant strides in the maintenance and reliability industry. Their stories are not just inspiring, but are paving the way for future innovations in how we think about and manage maintenance and reliability in various sectors. Thank you for watching. In this video, we've highlighted the exceptional contributions of professionals in the maintenance and reliability sector. They are not just doing their jobs, but setting new standards in the field. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more inspiring stories and groundbreaking work in this industry. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more about these influential figures and their groundbreaking work in our upcoming videos.